Bitcoin eyes $250,000 but only if it tops all-time highs. Bitcoin has been relatively stable this week, trading around $80,000. While there hasn't been anything too exciting, some analysts believe a big move is on the horizon. Arthur Hayes, former CEO of BitMEX, shared his prediction on X, stating, "I bet Bitcoin hits $110,000 before it retests $76,500. Hayes attributes this potential rise to the Fed shifting from quantitative tightening, QT, to quantitative easing, QE, for treasuries. He also speculates that if Bitcoin does hit $110,000 first, we could see a rapid surge toward $250,000. That's an extremely bullish take, and while I remain cautious, I'll gladly take it." Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev also made headlines, posting that $124 trillion is being handed down in what he calls the greatest transfer of wealth in history. Of course, I had to jump in and ask if he supports retail investors in this transition. His response? "Yep, the accredited investor rules need a reboot. This is huge because unless we eliminate these outdated accredited investor laws, the wealth transfer won't reach everyday people. If these barriers are removed, it could pave the way for wider crypto adoption and possibly even that $250,000 Bitcoin prediction." GameStop is making moves in the crypto space. Ripple made headlines again this week as it dropped its cross appeal against the SEC. While the SEC hasn't fully dropped its case, they're in discussions, and the outcome looks promising. Ripple will retain $75 million of the original $125 million fine, with the SEC keeping $50 million in escrow. More importantly, the SEC is expected to ask the court to lift restrictions on Ripple's business operations. If this happens, it could significantly impact institutional sales, something the SEC initially tried to ban Ripple from engaging in. This comes as the SEC has recently dropped cases against Immutable X and other crypto firms, signaling a potential shift in regulatory stance.